This is what the sunset is looking like. It rained all afternoon, and now I think it's after 7 or maybe 8 o'clock p.m. and this is the sunset I am looking at. OMG. This is so beautiful. I was sitting inside and I look outside and I was like, see how beautiful this sunset is. I am showing you because it is gorgeous. I'm going around. This is so pretty. The oranges, the dark clouds, everything just turned out so nice. This is beautiful. That's what I say. From 1 minute to the next, anything is possible. Live life 1 minute at a time. Gorgeous. Wow.